Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are gonna set up an Apple MDM Push Certificate in Microsoft Intune. So this certificate is needed for managing Apple devices, so basically after this you will be able to manage iOS, iPadOS, macOS devices in Microsoft Intune. So you'll be able to enroll your device via company portal, device enrollment program, Apple School Business Manager, Apple Configurator. That's it. This is a very basic video, but it's needed for what I'm thinking to do with this channel. So maybe we create more videos related to Apple and Intune management. Let's see what we can do. So first, you need access to Microsoft Intune. I don't have to mention this. We'll go to devices, enrollment, Apple, and then you see the prerequisites here. So this is the first step. After that, we will be able to do all this stuff. As you can see, it's grayed out. So let's get started. So Apple Push. We have 5 steps, very easy peasy steps. So first, grant Microsoft permissions to send both user and device information to Apple. If you're into this, you can check which kind of information is Microsoft sending to Apple. So step 2, download the Intune certificate signing request. So this is required because downloading this, we just will upload this file on Apple website, and then they will provide us our push certificate. So let's download this. Here we go. Then step 3, create an Apple MDM Push Certificate. We just click here and we type the Apple ID. So I already have it here. So this is the lab, so I'm using this guy here. So for companies, please use a company Apple ID. Don't use a personal Apple ID for company stuff. So go next. Password. And we have to provide the code here. So and here we go. So as I already did this in the past, so when you just log in to the space, when you are on this page, you will just see a button to create a new certificate. So I will just create a certificate. Then if you have time, you can read the terms of use. I have read everything, Apple. Thank you very much. Then I accept. Here, some notes. I will put Microsoft Intune MDM Push Certificate. Then I will upload the file I've just downloaded. Okay, then I just hit the upload button. Cool. You have successfully created a new push, blah blah blah. Then I will just download this thing. Okay. Then I go back to Intune. And I go to step 4. So I will put here my Apple ID that I have used to create this certificate. And here I will just upload the key. So click upload, and you can already see that the status here it's active, and you can see that the expiration will be like in 365 days. Yes, you have to renew this thing every year, so don't forget this. Put some reminders that you have to renew this after 1 year. And you can see the expiration here, and after that you can see that now the options here are available for us, then we can create some enrollment types here and create some restrictions, enrollment notifications, and all this stuff. So for this video, it's only this. So as I told you in the start, so maybe we just create more videos related to Intune Apple management. And you can also drop your comment with like some requests. Oh, make a video related to this, or do this. If it's possible if it's feasible for us, we will try to do. So that's it for today. So if this video helped you guys, thank you very much for just watching this video. And if you want to like and subscribe, feel free to do this. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.